What's up, YouTube? Welcome back. It's your girl Lauren, and I'm back with another video. If you have not seen my Get to Know Me Q&A video, please go and watch that so we can be more like family up in here. But if you watched it already, thank you so much. We are gonna get right into it, you guys. But before we do, remember to like the video, comment on the video if you're feeling what I'm putting down, and subscribe so again we can grow our family, honey. All right, let's get into it. So you already know from the title what this video is about. I am so excited, you guys. Got my scissors in hand. This is going to be a true unboxing, first impressions of the legendary, iconic, hate it or love it, Maison Margiela Tabi boot. Yes, okay. Let me get into the story first before I go ahead and bust my babies out. Why the Tabi boot? So let me tell you, I do not own much luxury at all. I literally have one luxury item, and that was gifted to me. And so for some reason, I was feeling the itch, the urge to get something luxury. I've been watching so many videos about people just snacking like luxury bags and these luxury goods. And I'm like, I need in on that. I knew I didn't want a bag because I don't wear bags really. And if I wear a bag, having 3 kids, maybe it's just me, but I need my hands to be free. So I will reach for a belt bag before I'm going to reach for like an actual handbag, right? So I knew I didn't want to invest thousands of dollars into that. And so I was like, all right, shoes. But which shoes? So I thought that I wanted the Gucci Princetown mules. Now insert a photo here of those, but the really popular Gucci Princetown mules that everybody has, either with a fur or without. I saw so many of my beloved, you know, blogger people that I follow, influencers, wear them, but it just still wasn't like resonating with me. I knew I would get my wear out of them. I knew that the quality was there. Let me say that. I don't know if I would have got my wear out of them because it's just not, they're not my style. To me, they're a little too preppy. Yeah. So I knew that I wanted something that was going to be like attention grabbing, a little bit outside of the box. Like, yes, I'm pretty basic when it comes to my wardrobe, but I do like pieces that stand out and catch your eye and have people, like a conversation piece, right? So I knew that for me to invest hundreds, possible thousands of dollars in something luxury, that it would have to be something that was bomb and something
that you are not going to see everybody in.
Okay, I did not want a piece. And let me tell you, my only luxury piece is a Louis Vuitton Speedy 30, I think. So you already know everybody has that damn bag, and it just like I didn't realize it until I got it and I was walking around with it, and it was like, all y'all have this? Like, I'm at the get together and everybody has this purse? Like, nah, bruh, never again. So I was like, I'm not falling for that trap again. Okay, if I get something luxury, it's gonna be something that ain't nobody got. Right? And so I always do my research. I YouTubed, I looked around. I am a discount queen, honey. So if I can get any type of discount, I'm doing it. I've also heard so many times that people who really buy luxury don't buy things full price. They're always shopping around for like, either it's past season or shopping at the coolest sites. So that brought me to Farfetch. And if you don't know what Farfetch is, it's a large like online platform that brings together, I think it says about 700 boutiques from around the world with luxury items. So you can really find like good deals on there. You'll find Gucci and Prada and Maison Margiela, all kinds of good luxury brands, even like brands that aren't as mainstream or as heard of, you'll find on there at great prices. Sometimes it'll be full price, sometimes you'll find a really good sale. And so I was able to go on Farfetch, find these shoes. Like I told you, I searched around. I had to find the lowest price. These Tabi boots run between $900 to $1,000, I believe. And so these were at $900. I'll insert the clip of me like shopping for them on the site, but these were about $900 something, but they were on sale at the time for $680, I want to say, or $690, and I thought that was a really good deal. I also had like a 10% off code. That's also a major key. If you follow like vloggers, bloggers, influencers, whatever like that, and for example, this was Monroe Steele or Fashion Steele NYC as she is here on YouTube. If you're not following, go follow her now. She had a 10% off coupon or a discount code, so I plugged that in and was able to save even more money again. And so I bought my babies. And okay, I'm just so excited. All right, so again, it was let me tell you, the process was so easy with Farfetch. Check out, get my stuff within, I think it was a week's time that I got my stuff. And the cool thing with Farfetch, and I have my box here, is that you don't know where your item is coming. Well, at least I don't know where my item is coming from. Maybe they do tell you, but it can come from anywhere around the world. And so let me just make sure. This came from Italy, you guys. So very cool. This came from Italy. Farfetch is a UK based brand, but like I said, they source from boutiques all over the world. So without further ado, let me get into these boots. I'm nervous, y'all. This is legit like a first impressions. The box has not been tampered with. Has not. So let me get into it. All right, y'all. So the standard inside, extra paper. Y'all, it's only the box and I'm excited. What the heck? Okay, so you have got the traditional, well, I don't know because I'm new, okay? I'm new to this luxury world, but if you've never seen before, Maison Margiela has kind of like the numbers, the signature numbers on the box, the beautiful white box. All the Tabi unboxings I've seen, I've never seen the one with the ribbon, so I'm like, oh, I got a ribbon. So I got a beautiful ribbon. You guys, I'm so nervous right now. I'm really excited. Wait till you see this color. I caught these in a different color. I did not get them in black or white or even a brown. So, hold on. Oh, y'all, I'm nervous. Okay. All right, you guys. So, inside you will see a Farfetch tag. Just says to keep it attached if you want to return it, but y'all. All right, so these come in the cutest. I've not seen a dust bag like this before. So it comes in like the cutest little dust bag. I usually see like the full-on bags, but these just have the perfect, almost like slipper-like, which I like because you can actually, I mean, I would probably store them this way. But do you see this color, you guys? Oh, look at it. So it is a beautiful like lilac color and I'm in love. Okay, let me take it off. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. All right, so again, these are first impressions. So I'm seeing this as you guys are seeing this, obviously. So this, it's like got a circular heel. Oh my god, I just love that. Circular heel. You can see that the heel is a little bit darker, but pretty much the same color as the boot, which I love. It just gives a really like streamlined look instead of like a contrasting heel. It could have been like a brown color. Y'all, I'm obsessed. Now this is where people like usually trip out. The cleft toe, right? So this is what the Tabi boots are all about. I read up on this, and the Tabi style is traditional to Japanese culture, I believe. Correct me if I'm wrong. And so I think Maison Margiela launched these boots in the 80s. And so, but I don't know, for some reason the style is like really like picking up speed, like as of 2 years ago, maybe longer than that. And so people are really like wearing it now. I am so excited, you guys. I picked these up in a size 40. I am a size 10 US. Again, I've never bought luxury, especially in shoes before, so I'm hoping the size fits, but I heard that they were pretty true to size. And you know, this with it being leather, it'll stretch out. So let me show you. The coolest thing I heard about these boots is that it doesn't have like a zip closure. I don't even know how to describe this. Oh, okay, let me show you guys. So it is, what do you even call this? Like a hooked closure, you guys. And then look at the detail, bro. Like, hold on, let me move my face out of the way. Look at the detail. So it's kind of like, it feels like a lacy, like shoelace like fabric, okay? So these don't zip, bro. Like, that's next level. They have these beautiful, like, I want to say like fisheye hooks, but it's not like that. But that's the closure. Oh my gosh. So I've heard mixed things about this, that some people are like, ugh, like, just give me the zipper. It's harder to do this, but I am excited, y'all. I cannot wait to get these on my foot right now. So let me just get out the other one. Y'all, I am so, let me tell you, I was not sure how I would feel about these shoes, and like sitting on them for 2 weeks and doing an unboxing of first impressions, that's vulnerability. Like, I could have got these, brought them out and been like, oh, I hate them. I absolutely I'm obsessed, like, if you can't tell already. Oh my gosh, y'all. So let me put them together. Oh my god, I cannot wait to style these. Let me say, one thing that I read about these shoes is that they are not someone said it so well, these shoes are not a plug and play type of shoe, meaning you cannot, like any other, I don't want to say like hype beast, but any other product out there that's like super popular, like the Princetown mules or whatever, they're not a plug and, like, those are a plug and play. The Princetown mules, you can just pop those right into your wardrobe. They work with everything. These are not, hunty. Like, again, the article that I read was like, you almost have to be like, your wardrobe has to be just as avant-garde. And don't get me wrong, it can be simple, but your wardrobe has to be like fire. Like, whatever you wear with this, it has to be fire. Like, but definitely let the shoes do the talking. And again, you will have some of y'all gonna be in my comments like, I hate these shoes, I just don't get it. I don't care. I love, like I said, I love to wear things that, I didn't say that people hate, but typically people are like, man, I wouldn't wear them, but they work on you. Like, Lauren, I know, like, this is something you would wear. This is so your speed. You know, they'll usually pick out something that's kind of like odd, I guess, and be like, Lauren will wear that. So I am excited, you guys, to style this. I think I just want to do like a Tabi boot styling video. So let me know in the comments if you guys want to see that, and I can pull together some looks or some ways to wear this. I will, of course, insert a clip of these on foot, but y'all, I'm so excited. I do feel like I need to get some socks for these. They have Tabi socks. I just didn't pick them up. But y'all, I feel like with this slipper, like this bottom, just to protect them and to have a little bit more grip, especially in the winter time, I live in Chicago, I need to take these to a cobbler or something and like get them get them sold. So yeah, but y'all, honey, let me know in the comments, what are you thinking? Like, are these like, they're cute for you, I wouldn't rock them, or I'm bold enough to rock these are fire? Like, let me know what you're thinking right now, because I'm obsessed. Oh, I'm trying to get y'all to see like the true color of these. They are so, y'all, I'm so glad I was worried, but I'm so glad I didn't get the black or the white ones. Like, so yes, let me know what you guys think. I'm so excited. Like I said, comment below if you want me to do a styling video to give you some ideas of like how I would wear this. I have to be honest, I feel like I gotta go and get some, some fits. Like, I need some fits. I'm so excited. So thank you guys for watching. Remember, I upload every Wednesday, so make sure to subscribe so you don't miss out on a video, and I will see you guys next time. Thanks for watching.